Today we're going to cover how to use the Send to Database button to update information from your pricing and labor screens from a current project and have it saved back to the database, or to simply add information to your database while working in a project. In this case, if we wanted to look at the unit price for the material, let's say that I wanted to update my database to have this information reflective. To do so, I would first mark the material on the left-hand side in the white check boxes for what I would like to save back or update to the database. Now in this case, I'm going to hit the Select All option here at the top. Once I click the Select All option, I'm then going to move over to the Send to Database icon, which is this drum with an arrow above it, or looks like a stack of Oreos or poker chips, whatever you would prefer to reference it as. Simply left-click on that icon and you are going to be presented with this window. Here you must choose what you would like to update in the database for the items that you currently have selected. Now you will see a different window on your pricing screen than you do from the labor screen. On the pricing screen, you can go through and simply choose any one of these options. For right now, I'm simply going to choose price, and then I'll say OK. Once I do that, the program is going through and it is currently updating all of these material items back to the database with the price that is shown in this project. When it's completed, you'll know that because you will see a message displayed right here next to entire scenario that lets you know that the database has been successfully updated. Now you'll notice we have our successfully sent 60 items to the database message. So that lets you know that you have completed this task. Now, how does this look if we were to move to the labor screen? Well, simply left-click on your labor screen icon, which is the clock here. Once out on your labor screen, now you will have the capability to do the same thing. Again, you'll want to mark the items that you're wanting to update. You can either toggle all of them or individually select a checkbox. Then you will move back over to that Send to Database icon, left click again, and now you're presented with a different option. In this case, we would be updating our production rate for the database. You can choose user codes if you did make user code changes. If you have user 1 or user 2 fields, commonly known as account codes or phase code fields, you can also update that information as well. Simply click the checkbox, say OK, and let the program finish with updating the information. Just like on your pricing screen, when it's finished, you will get a message displayed right here in the upper left-hand corner to the right of the entire scenario option there, and that'll let you know that this has been completed. Now that that message has been displayed, we're good to go ahead and move forward in our project if we needed to. Now, ultimately, what you just did is you just saved material pricing as well as labor production rates back to the database, meaning that any new project in the future where you would use either that material or this labor line, you should see the respective production rate or material cost to it based on what you saved in this project. If you have any additional questions for using the Send to Database icon on the pricing or labor screen, please reach out to the Edge Tech Support team and they'd be happy to assist you in any way they can. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.